What exactly sets the top 1% of software engineers apart from the rest, you may ask? The answer lies in their mastery and constant learning. The top software engineers have made it to the apex of their field through persistent dedication and hard work. What sets them apart is their exceptional ability to solve complex problems. This extends from identifying the core issue to crafting innovative, effective, and efficient solutions. Their problem-solving skills are not just good, they are extraordinary. Their extensive grasp of numerous programming languages also contributes to their uniqueness. It isn't just about knowing the syntax. They dive deeper into the details that distinguish each language. Understanding the underlying mechanics and principles is a part of their expertise. But knowledge isn't their only forte. They are ever curious, continuously seeking to learn more. They're not just content with existing technologies. They're constantly exploring fresh advancements and methodologies. They understand the importance of staying updated in the fast-paced world of software engineering. Their exceptional adaptability and eagerness to learn are also notable. They see challenges as opportunities for growth and are ready to take on new tasks, thus expanding their horizons. Their relentless pursuit of excellence is what sets them apart. This tenacity for continuous learning and evolution is what truly sets them apart. They are the trailblazers in the software engineering world, leading the way with their passion and commitment. Now, let's delve deeper and study some case examples of these elite professionals. Consider the case of a lead engineer at one of the top tech companies in the world. They're not your typical techie. They hold remarkable technical expertise, but that's just one part of their profile. What sets them apart is their unique problem-solving approach, making them an invaluable asset in the tech field. This individual is more than just a part of the top 1%. They have an innate ability to disintegrate complex issues into simpler, more manageable parts. They see problems not as dead ends, but as puzzles waiting to be solved. Their technique involves identifying the core problem. After discovery, they dissect each sub-problem, paving a clear way through the complexity until finding a solution. But what's truly captivating is their relentless pursuit for these perplexing tasks. They're never complacent with mediocrity, always pushing their own boundaries, perpetually seeking growth. They perceive every problem as a learning opportunity. They don't shun complexity. Instead, they dive into it head-on, armed with their analytical thinking and unyielding determination. They're not mere problem solvers, they're problem conquerors, turning barriers into opportunities for growth. They push themselves beyond the familiar and comfortable, in the for continuous learning, not out of necessity, but out of desire. This hunger to improve themselves is a testament to their character. They flourish in adversity, learn from there, and strive for excellence. This engineer's problem-solving capability is a distinguishing trait of the top 1%. They don't just solve problems, they master them, converting trials into opportunities for innovation and growth. And that, my friends, is what sets them apart from the rest. Now, let's turn our attention to a software engineer fluent in several programming languages. This knowledge equates to mastering several spoken languages. Only these languages command machines. Exceptional engineers don't just dabble in a few languages. They become experts, understanding each language's unique aspects. Just like a linguist speaking English, French, Spanish, and Mandarin, these engineers shift effortlessly between Python, JavaScript, C++, and Ruby, among others. Their expertise them to match the right language to each task, improving project efficiency and performance. So, why is this versatility key? Key? The answer lies in the versatile nature of software development. Each programming language is tailored for distinct tasks. Python excels in data analysis, while JavaScript is ideal for web development. By mastering many languages, engineers sharpen their capabilities, ready to surmount any challenge. Moreover, being multilingual in coding offers a significant edge. It future-proofs their skills. As tech advances, new languages emerge, old ones evolve. They stay ahead, adapting quickly to these changes. Another crucial aspect is the global scope of software engineering. Knowing multiple languages, engineers can work with teams worldwide, overcoming language barriers in coding. They become adaptable, adjusting to different development settings and using diverse tools. This trait not only boosts their employability, but also empowers them to handle diverse and complex projects. Mastering multiple programming languages is another defining characteristic of the top 1%. Finally, let's look at an engineer who embodies the spirit of lifelong learning. This engineer is not one to rest on laurels. Their pursuit of knowledge is perpetual, their curiosity boundless. They don't let contentment inhibit their growth. Instead, they constantly seek ways to expand their horizons. They are vigilant for opportunities to boost their understanding and abilities through education, self-study, or hands-on experience. They navigate the information onslaught of our era, extracting valuable knowledge that fosters their development. In software engineering, the only certainty is change. They don't passively endure the tidal shifts. They actively ride the wave, staying at the vanguard of new developments. They're not just keeping up, they're initiating the pace, forging paths in uncharted zones. Technologies arise and evolve rapidly. In this dynamic milieu, they don't just cope, they excel. Their agility and adaptability are their greatest strengths, allowing them to effortlessly ride the wave of technological progress. To excel, one must be more than proficient. One must be a learner, eager to adopt the next big thing. They're unafraid of instead seeing them as growth opportunities. Whether they're exploring a new programming language, studying cutting-edge development tools, or staying updated with software design trends, this engineer is always learning, always evolving. They are not just learners, they are field leaders, pioneers setting benchmarks for others. They don't merely follow trends, they create them. Their unyielding quest for knowledge and deep commitment to their craft sets them apart. Their commitment to learning is a common thread among the top 1% of software engineers. Now that we've studied these case examples, how can you emulate their success? Begin by refining your problem-solving abilities. Dissect convoluted issues into smaller segments, then assemble a solution gradually. This skill demands regular practice and can be an asset for software engineers. Next, augment your coding proficiency by mastering multiple languages. While having a core language is critical, a wide-ranging skill set can pave the way for more opportunities. It empowers you to be versatile in the perpetually evolving tech sphere. The next step is embracing a mindset of ceaseless learning. The tech world is inconstant. To remain on top, you must be a perpetual student. This could involve attending seminars, perusing the most recent studies, or just maintaining an inquisitive attitude towards new advancements in your sector. By adopting these strategies, you too can strive to join the ranks of the elite 1% of software engineers.